Take a ride in the 2018 Jeep Renegade. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, 4-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, rear window wiper. Inside you'll find low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, driver vanity mirror, tilt steering wheel, overhead console, panic alarm, passenger vanity mirror, compass. The Jeep Renegade offers full-size capability built in a smaller SUV. The Jeep Renegade is an incredible combo of smart technology, cool colors, and innovative materials. It has a capable command center with the tools you need for discovering everything that's out there. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.